So I was out here mulching some stuff, some balsams down here so we can get this clear cut taken care of. And just tried driving up this hill here behind you. And seemed like it blew a hose. So I think it just, a hose just rubbed through and it was rubbing up against the bracket and started spraying over the side of the machine. So we gotta flip the cab up and take it off. So we got our hose out. This was the culprit. If you look inside here, she was wearing on a bracket right through the metal banding and everything. And it sprayed the whole side of the cat. So we'll go take this to the shop, get a new hose, and get this fixed up. Hello everyone, we're back. We got our hydraulic hose. Check it out here. We went to the shop. Here and got it fixed, or got a new one made up. This one's even coated because last time it wore right through on that bracket. So we got it fixed, got our hydraulic fluid, so we're gonna get this thing all put back together and get back mulching. All right, so we got a couple fittings to get back in there. As you can see, it's not the easiest. So what I'm going to do is sit here and record Dylan because this is the easier part.
Yeah, I don't know if we'll be able to get it finished up in this video or not, just because it's hard to get one of these connected without saying a few choice bad words. So
as you can see here, let's get a full view of how Dylan's inside the skid steer.
you say my good side? I think I got it.
Right.
Nope, that's wrong. Not the first time. Won't be the last time.
I mean, that looks promising. All right, let's see what we did.
Got the first one back
That
up.
one back there. So I know it's a little crooked, but now we got the other one to put on that's in the way. That one there, it was just in the way. So we had to take it off.
This one? Look at it.
Oh, that's true. You got to tighten it first before you put the other one on.
Yeah. I mean, I don't have to, unless I want to take that top hose back off. Okay. Oh, yeah.
Yeah. There wasn't much, I don't think.
Still not.
It only goes two ways, but you turn it over about 5 times to get it on.
Oh, there we go.
Yeah.
At least I got most of it. Oh,
You got a close-up view there. Oh, man. Yeah,
ooh.
that's it.
Oh, yeah.
Oh. Oh, yeah. All right, got the last bite on her.
Oh, that ain't going nowhere.
Nice. One more to go. Well, we had to pull this guy right here off.
We'll wait to put him back on. Get that.
That way we could have some extra bite there. But see what if you guys want to know where the other end of this goes. Oh, right there. That guy, right there. But that's, you know, it looks easy, but it's right tight against the inside of that track. We got it all done. Hose is tightened up both sides, and we're currently filling it with hydraulic fluid, and we bought 5 gallons, so we must have lost more than 5 gallons because, as you can see in there, we're still on the red, so we need to go get some more hydraulic fluid. So that's where we're gonna go now, and then we'll be back, fill it up, and then get started mulching. So this is how we're doing it, because as you can see, that fill is all recessed in there. So transfer it into that and then put it in there. Fixed up. It's working good. On to the next thing.